Okay, here we are at Palmasola. Got this little guy. Got hit by a car. Poor little thing. That's... I don't think it's going to make it. Listen to the poor thing. He's not going to make it, is he? Listen to him.
I know, he's gurgling.
Yeah.
Don't forget to do a pecker over here.
Oh.
Cat.
This is Trina.
Where's my shirt?
I didn't have a chance. This was an emergency situation.
I didn't put it on.
There's Dr. Ashley.
So, I mean, what you could do in this sense is run it.
I've been in that room numerous times.
No, here. For my shirt.
Okay. All right. What size? Me?
Or medium. Are they women's shirts or
Yeah. Either or. Pink ones too. I got the pink ones and blue ones. Pink one? Okay. All right. All right. I'll get to you.
I'll message you, but I don't.
Okay.
All that gurgling doesn't sound good.
Yeah, I know.
But either way, it'll be fixed or put out of misery.
Yeah.
Either way.
Yeah. It was, well,
Yeah.
I would have done it, but I'm not sure on this one.
I know.
So.
I know.
All right. Okay. Well, I'm going to go then.
Okay.
So thank you. All right.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Okay, well, that's... See, this is ones you feel bad about. Because there's just not really much you can be able to do about it. But at least we got it off the road. I don't know. I'll let you know what happens when I find out. It'll be an hour or two before I find out. So, all right, I'll let you know. Here I am. Ew.